Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Now click on the three vertical dots on top right corner. Tap on the settings option. Now go to your profile page by clicking on your name on the top section of your screen. Now tap on the camera icon. Here you'll get three options: camera, gallery and avatar, and I'll go with the gallery option. After you've chosen the picture, click on done, and that is how you can change profile picture on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.